will answer this one. Divide the quantity of 10x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 4. So, divide natin kay 2x plus 1. Okay? So, 10x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 4. So, divide natin kay 2x plus 1. Okay, so hanap tayo ng number or variable para magiging 10x cubed. So sa choices natin, mga 5x squared yan. So, therefore, 5x squared. Bakit siya 5x squared? Kasi kapag i-multiply natin yan kay 2x, magiging 10x cubed. Okay? So, 10x cubed. Then, 5x squared, multiply natin kay 1. So, that is positive 5x squared. Okay? Then, subtract natin yan. So, take note, kapag mag-subtract tayo, change natin yung sign. So, this is positive 10x cubed. So, magiging negative yan. Okay? Dito rin, plus 5x squared. So, magiging minus 5x squared. So, the same sign na sila. So, kapag the same sign, pag mag-add tayo, we have to copy their common sign, then i-add. Then, minus 6x squared. Okay? Then, i-bring down natin itong plus 5x. Okay? Next is, hanap naman tayo ng number na para magiging negative 6x squared. So, this is negative 3x. So, negative 3x, multiply natin kay 2x. So, that is negative 6x squared. Okay? Then, si negative 3x, multiply naman natin kay 1. So, that is negative 3x. Then, subtract na naman natin yan. So, magiging plus ito. So, 0 na yan. So, ito magiging plus. Kasi change natin yung sign. So, this is positive 8x. Then, bring down natin yung plus 4. So, hanap naman tayo ng number para magiging 8x squared. Multiply natin sa 2x. So, that is positive 4. So, multiply natin kay 2x. So, that is 8x. Then, si 4 multiply natin kay positive 1. Magiging plus 4. Okay, then i-subtract natin. So, change the sign. Magiging minus yan. Ito minus din. So, the result is 0. So, sa choices natin, so, 5x squared minus 3x plus 4. So, letter D is the correct answer.